370Z Nismo. Has a lot of crazy mods to this, performance mods specifically. We actually worked on this car about a few years back. We Clearbra the entire thing, but this is probably the coolest thing. These are freaking crazy cool. ADV1 05S MV2 two-piece wheels, gloss brushed red. This is not like some ugly paint red that has no details to it. No guys, this is brushed. See all the brush strokes in the finish? Freaking details on details on details. Look at those brakes. By the way, these wheels were custom made to fit these brakes. When we designed these wheels, we knew that he was gonna go with these brakes, so we made sure they cleared, as you can see. Otherwise, it wouldn't fit right, so these are designed just for this Nismo. Pika Blue hardware, 50/50 option from ADV1. These actually hold this wheel, this front area to the back barrel, which if you look, can you see? I'm trying to focus. It's kind of dark back there, but do you see that blue? Yeah, the back barrel is entirely brushed Pika Blue. Same finish as this. It's freaking cool. Really freaking sick setup. Oh, and by the way, titanium freaking lug nuts.
Alright, ready for the coolest part?
That was the coolest part.
Thing has the turbo kit.
Yeah.
Somewhere. Gritty.
Gritty. I love how it looks stock.
I know. Like, I can't even find the turbo.
Oh, there it is. Z. So the reason why it's in today is because we're going to be replacing some of the Clearbra. It got damaged from protecting the car, so we're going to be ripping that off, putting a new one on, and yeah, just a little maintenance stuff basically. Guys, we got more wheels in. Look at this brown box. You know what that means? Forged wheels. I hate when this happens.
Why'd you do that?
I thought it was the top because I saw the shipping label.
Fragile's upside down.
I didn't see the fragile.
It's right there, right next to the shipping label. Stupid. Let me fix this for you.
Oh, yo, this is nice. This is so nice. Brixton Forged, this is their Forged lineup. PF10, there's a radial version called the RF10. This is custom made to order, a lot lighter, a lot stronger. One of the nicest looking wheels I've seen from any company. Nice matte bronze. It's a really cool matte bronze. I like this matte bronze. This is a nice shade. This is like a really dark matte bronze. Love the black accents, gloss black hardware running behind. They actually keep this whole outer piece that I'm touching here connected to the inner barrel, which I also find very impressive because, as you can see, it is finished all the way through in the same finish. Every wheel company has their own matte bronze. Same name, different shades. This is probably my favorite bronze I have seen. It's a lot less gold and a lot more brown, and I'm looking at what it looks like in the camera right now when the light hits it, especially in this area. It almost has like this reddish hue to it. I don't know how to describe it. It looks really nice. The center cap is great too. Edge of it is also color matched to the rest of the wheel, but the middle part is matte black, and it just looks really clean. Little cutouts around the edges here. Little details like that can really make or break a wheel. And I love these little bends around the spokes. Just makes it look a little bit more unique. Very freaking nice wheel. Brand new Tesla Model Y. We're doing a bunch of things to this one. For starters, we're going to Clearbra the entire car. Tinting everything. We're doing some interior center console wrapping as well. So the tinting is done on the Y. We're now getting started on a full car Model Y Clearbra. So from bumper to the back bumper, the whole thing is going to be wrapped. Definitely recommend doing this when you first get the car. It's brand new because the paint is looking its best. You don't want to start doing it after you get some rock chips and scratches. And the cool things too is you can always do like the front portion and then work your way all the way to the back.
Oh, that's so cool.
It is very cool, Todd.
You can do that.
That's right.
It doesn't make sense. Why would you be able to do that? What if I wanted to start at the back and then go to the front?
Well, Tyler, you can do that. What if I told you that I can make your paint even glossier than the first day you got it? Introducing Clearguard Alpha. No, but seriously guys, this paint looks amazing on the Y. So the whole car is protected with Clearguard Alpha. Not only does it help with rock chips and scratches, it also gives you this immense deep shine that you guys see. All those metallic flakes in the paint, yeah, it's all coming out and you can see them so vividly, so vibrantly. It looks like glass. If you really care about your car's paint, definitely look into a paint protection film. Every window is also tinted with photosync Pink and Ceralux, so we didn't mix and match this time. Photosync 70 on the front windshield and the sunroof, so really clear for both of these. And then we went a little bit darker on the sides with Ceralux 33. Last but not least, we also wrapped the center console in brushed black. Really cool way to add a little bit of sophistication to the interior. Makes it look and feel a little bit more premium, so definitely recommend this. Since the Clearbra that we use is ClearGuard Alpha, that means it's hydrophobic, so I want to showcase its hydrophobic properties. So we're gonna do a little water bead test. You can see how the water is just effortlessly sliding off the paint. So if you love washing your car, you're definitely gonna love this feature. And if you don't like washing your car, well, this is gonna make it a lot easier to clean. This is kind of interesting. Tesla offer. We're getting started on this new Tesla Model 3, doing a chrome delete, and we're also making that trunk automated. We've done this before on a previous Model 3, so this is gonna be another one we'll be doing. We're only gonna be doing the trunk on this one. Having it powered is pretty cool, especially since it makes it a little bit easier when your hands are full. And at the same time, we're doing a chrome delete on this one. The whole thing is gonna be blacked out.
Is it really?
Oh my gosh! What if it's like, detect human being, and it opens? Dude, that'd be fucking sick.
It's sort of crazy to think that one day doing satin black chrome deletes on a Model 3 may end just because now the new ones come satin black from factory. But hopefully that means that we'll be doing different colors in the future. Satin black chrome delete looking really nice and sporty on this Model 3. It gives that stormtrooper feel, so big fan of how that came out. And we also installed the rear trunk system. Definitely a really cool feature that I wish the car came with. So there's a few ways you can actually utilize this powered trunk. You can either open your trunk normally and the trunk will just lift all the way up. You can use the little foot sensor on the bottom, which will open the trunk for you, or you can use the button on your screen inside the car to open it and to close it. Really cool feature. I'm glad that there's different ways you can take advantage of this system. It just makes it that much more convenient. Alright guys, that's it for the vlog. Thanks so much for watching. If you want to work on your car, so hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below. We have a lot of cool vinyl wrap projects coming up, so stay tuned for that. A lot of cool colors, so I'm excited to show you guys. So yeah, I will see you guys next time.